What's up everyone, it's Mixky with an X and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this smoked the house down grunge extravaganza. I love how it turned out. So this is my second trial of this makeup look. The first trial, it looks like I was punched in the face. Like, also look at the brow. So for this makeup look, what I did was like I have this smoky eye that's like connected with the blush, which is also a part of the eyeshadow. If you really like this video and you want to see more of it, please subscribe to my channel. Throughout this video, I'm going to give you guys a couple of tips that you can use in your daily makeup routine. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to see how I created this makeup look, please keep on watching. I look like I have heterochromia iridium. Kind of cool. This channel is mostly going to be about makeup related stuff, but if you guys want to know how to put contacts on in a matter of seconds, I can teach you that. If you want to learn how to do such thing, you can comment them down below. Today we're doing I think I'm going to do I think I'm going to do a very brown makeup look. I was inspired by Adore Delano from RuPaul Drag Race season 6, yeah.
5 hours later.
Hi everyone. I finished the makeup look and I hated it, so now I'm going to recreate what I did but with different colors. For you guys, it just seems that I'm continuing what I was doing, but I actually finished the makeup look and I hated it, so now I'm back to redo everything. Redemption, bitch. This makeup look will be done with just one palette. It's a brand called Psy. The palette is called Eyeshadow and Blush Palette Gold Dust. There are two different palettes like this, but the packaging is the same. Buy the Gold Dust, the other one is shit. So, the first thing we're doing is we're gonna take a very brick tone brown and we're gonna use that color to blend in our eyes till it reaches almost the brow, and then the eyeshadow will go down here. It will create like this W shape on your face. So it will also be eyeshadow as well as blush and also on the nose, and that will also go to the other eye. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you'll see. I hope what I explained sort of makes sense. We're just basically creating a W on our face starting from our eyes and go to the nose. The color is called Unique from the Psy palette. Now using a small tapered blending brush, we are going to do the same thing to our bottom eyelids. I love this. Can I just like be done with just this? It looks great. My head says,
you can just end this book now.
My heart says, go on bitch, make it dramatic. I'll be using a big brush so I can use the eyeshadow as the blush. Where's that reflection coming from? Oh. So I put on this like a light wash of this brick tone brown all over my cheeks, connecting with the eyeshadow. Now you can see like a W. I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush And we're going into this color. We're using this deep cool tone brown called Choco. To create the perfect blended out smoked eyeshadow, when you go back to your palette with your brush, only take like a tiny bit of product and then blend it out, go back in, blend it out. When I started makeup, I went ham on the eyeshadow palette and then blend it out, which wasn't a good idea. It didn't look this blended. That's another tip for you. As you can see, I'm only taking a tiny bit of product, blending it out, looking both sides if they blended symmetrically. If it's not, I'm gonna go back in. So I lied when I said this makeup look can be done with one eyeshadow palette. That eyeshadow palette does not have black. So now I'm going to darken the eyelids with this black shade. Take the tiniest bit of that black shade for the bottom lids. So now we're gonna use a big blending brush, and then we're gonna So now we are going to blend it out using this big brush with this color on the brush. It kind of looks harsh now.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
So what I'm gonna do is use this color with a big blending brush and then blend it out. Now we need more blush. Using the same eyeshadow, I'm gonna show you my cat. Shio, come here. This is my cat. His name's Shio. He's so cute. He's so grumpy. I love him so much. I think the false lashes are going to complete the look. While Shiro was planning his extravagant murder plan, I was doing my blush off camera so that it matches the intensity of our eye makeup. I also went ahead and put mascara and also a pair of lashes. We're done with the eye look. Now we're gonna do the lips. Okay, another makeup hack for you. If you don't have a lipstick shade that you want immediately, but you have it in your eyeshadow palette, you're gonna use a chapstick, put it on, and then you're gonna pat the eyeshadow on your lips. So these kind of liquid lip balms will not use. Liquid lip balms will not work as an adhesive for the eyeshadow, but chapsticks will. I'm gonna take the same brick tone eyeshadow. You can use your finger and then pat it on. It will work, but if you use a lip brush, you can overline your lips. Just like the eyes, I'm gonna have a dark color in the center. For that, I'll also be using the same shade of eyeshadow as my eyes. Okay, so this is another makeup hack. If you don't have a matte lipstick in the shade that you want, but you do in your gloss, all you need to do is use baby powder or setting powder and then set your lipstick. so that it becomes matte. In my case, the eyeshadow did not dry in a way that I wanted it to, so I'm using this setting powder to set everything so that it's totally matte. Now I am going to highlight my face using the same eyeshadow palette. This brand should sponsor me. The fuck? So as you can see, I was checking the color if I wanted to use it for my highlighter, and then yes, I ended up using that as my highlighter. It is in the same eyeshadow palette, but in the shade Charm. Okay, this is the end of the video. I think this will be my 5th video, and you guys are still watching. Like always, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you have any questions, concerns, you can comment them down below. If you really like this video and you want to see more of it, please subscribe to my channel. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Bye!